absolutely.
He knows I want his hat.
You want to be able to walk down the street thinking that.
Why did we ever come so far? I knew I'd seen it all before. Tall building, reach up and fade. Tinseltown is in the rain. I know now.
Enjoy yourself.
Love was so exciting. Tinseltown in the rain.
We're going to walk up towards the university. All of us in the group studied here. I'll show you it later. We found that one of the guys had a room in a little flat. The room was like a tiny rectangle, so we would stand in a line. We had to stand in a line to practice.
Leaving the parade. Is there a place in this city?
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. 6 days off. Take care, Paul.
Right, bye. Be good.
And hey, there's a red car in the fountain.
The way we ended up arranging Tinseltown, we had a little cassette player, you know, in that room that I'm going to show you. When we were playing it back, one of the others said, that sounds like a city. So I think that's what we were doing. We were taking the sirens and the general of traffic and trains and buses and the chatter of the people.
Do I love you? Yes, I love you. Will we always be happy-go-lucky?
Tinseltown, it was a metaphor. It's whatever your dream is, you know, whatever your Tinseltown was, whatever you lost. And I think in our minds, you know, what was interesting to us was the kind of universal nature of cities, that much of what you would glimpse or see, intersections and so on, were the same, you know, because Glasgow, obviously, it's not the same scale as New York, but if you just shrunk it down to a corner, it could be, and it could be anywhere.
All this talking is only bravado. Yeah.
There was a little grocery store, and if we had enough money, we would come round here and buy a little packet of 4 cakes or yogurt. That was our high living. But it's changed now. It's changed.
Tinseltown. Tinseltown in the rain. Oh, men and women. Here we are, caught up in this big rhythm.
I'll show you the little apartment. But it's been cleaned up quite a lot. That window there, there's a little room in there, a little rectangular room, and that was really where the band came from, where we, as I said, we used to have to stand in a line to practice because it wasn't wide enough. It was good, we were happy. The door was red. I haven't been here so long. It's quite emotional. It's funny coming back. Yeah, all the feelings, you know, the standing out here talking to your girlfriend. Yeah, we rehearsed the first album. Yeah, I don't think I'd rather remember it the way it was. Untidy. Yeah. Funny coming back. Ghosts of yourself, you know.
Tinseltown is in the rain. I know now, love was so exciting. Tinseltown in the rain. Oh, men and women, here we are, caught up in this big rhythm.
Big boat, so long.